Right, now we're going to go into one of the more, I think, just a cool feature of the plugin is the ability to generate email reports. Now, the idea behind this is mainly to have an automated way to be in communication with your client or a prospect. So whether this is a client that you have a contract with for reputation management, or maybe this is someone you'd like to have a contract with for reputation management, or your other offline business services, what you can do is you can have automatic reports that are being generated and sent to the client via email. So in order to do this, what we have to do is fill out the form fields here, and you can have any number of clients or email recipients, I should say, that get copied on the report. And each email address you enter, one per line, will get a copy of your the emails that go out. So if I just plug in an email here, email address, and this is who it goes to. So this could be if you want to get a copy of it when it goes out, put your own address. If you want the client to get one, whatever clients, multiple clients to get a copy of it, you can put their email addresses in here as well. The from address is when that arrives in their inbox, what do they see as the from address, and they can choose to reply. So this is the format you would use if you want your name to show up, and then in the less than, greater than symbols that surround the email address. This is the format so that instead of just seeing the email address or just seeing this part of the email address show up in the inbox, they would actually see this name. And or you can just keep it simple and just put in the email address. Doesn't really matter. The email subject is what you would put in. Let's see. Okay, and that's the subject of the emails that go out. And then email header and footer. This, you can put anything you want in here. HTML can go in here. Plain text can go in here. Whatever you like. So you could give it a H1 tag or like a title. And like that. So basic HTML is fine. Footer, you could put, again, anything. It could be your phone number, contact information, that type of thing. And then in order for the emails to go out via an automatic report, you would have to check this box to enable it. So once you've done all that, save your changes. And then you can, once those are saved, you can send an immediate report at any time, in addition to the scheduled weekly reports, which I'll go into more detail on how you do that. But you can send a report anytime manually just by, once you've filled out these form fields, click Send Now, and you will see report sent. Okay, and then I'm going to switch over to my email. Okay, and here's the email in my inbox where we see the subject we typed in, the H1 tag, and the title we gave it. This is the header. Here's my footer down here. Here is, and then here's the part that's the same or automatic, is the total or the totals for overall total, how many reviews they have on these various websites, how many in the last 7 days, 30 days, and 365 days. And then they'll list all of them down below here. So you can send this out manually at any time, or you can have it go out automatically on a schedule. So I will show you, if we hop back over to the plugin, in order to get this to run on a schedule, we have to do something called a cron. We have to set up a cron job or a cron command. And all you have to do is copy and paste this command into your control panel's cron or scheduled command area. And I'm going to do a separate video on how to go about that on various platforms. A lot of them are very similar once you get into them, but I'll show you what that looks like in a separate video.